Stay with me until the very end of this story, because this is not just a beautiful and enjoyable story. It is a gentle guide for English learners and a quiet lesson about overcoming laziness without pressure or guilt. You will not find rules here. You will not hear orders. Instead, you will feel the secrets that wake motivation naturally. Read slowly. Imagine deep by the end. You will understand English better, and you may also understand yourself better. The Clockmaker's Quiet Secret. In a small town where mornings arrived softly, there lived a young man named Eli. Eli was kind. Eli was intelligent. But Eli carried a heavy habit. He delayed his dreams. Every morning, he told himself, "I will start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week. Next week became someday. And someday never arrived. Eli was not lazy because he lacked ability. He was lazy because his days felt heavy before they even began. One afternoon, while wandering through narrow streets, Eli noticed a tiny shop he had never seen before. Above the door, a wooden sign read, "Time repaired here." Curious, Eli stepped inside. The shop smelled of old wood and warm tea. Clocks covered the walls. Large clocks, small clocks, silent clocks, broken clocks. Behind the counter stood an old man with calm eyes and steady hands. "You look tired," the old man said gently. "I am," Eli replied. "But I don't understand why. I do so little." The clockmaker smiled. "Sit," he said, "and listen. Secret 1. Begin before you feel ready." The old man picked up a broken clock. "This clock does not move because it waits for perfection," he said. "It waits for the perfect moment." He turned a small gear. "Movement creates energy," he continued. "Not the other way around." Eli listened quietly. The clockmaker leaned closer and whispered, "Do not wait to feel motivated. Begin, and motivation will follow." For the first time, Eli felt something shift inside him. Secret 2. Make your task smaller than your fear. The clockmaker handed Eli a tiny screw. "Fixing a clock looks difficult," he said, "but no clock is fixed all at once. One small action," he added, "is stronger than one big intention." Eli realized something important. His dreams were not heavy. His expectations were. Secret 3. Attach action to routine. The old man poured tea. "Do you drink tea every morning?" he asked. "Yes," Eli answered. "Then attach your effort to that moment," the clockmaker said. "After tea, 5 minutes of work. No more." Discipline, he said softly, is simply a habit with purpose. Secret 4. Forgive yesterday quickly. Eli confessed. "I feel lazy because I failed so many times." The clockmaker nodded. "Clocks do not stop forever because they paused once," he said. "They are wound again." He placed a hand over Eli's heart. "Forgive yesterday. Start again today. That is the rhythm of progress." Secret 5. Protect your energy, not just your time. As Eli stood to leave, the clockmaker gave him one final lesson. "Rest is not laziness," he said. "Distraction is. Protect your focus. Protect your sleep. Protect your inner quiet." Eli thanked him and stepped outside. The shop was gone. The street looked ordinary again, but Eli was not the same. The next morning, Eli drank his tea. Then he worked for 5 minutes. The next day, he did the same. Some days were slow. Some days were strong. But he never waited for motivation again. He had learned the greatest secret. Action is the cure for laziness. Kindness is the fuel for consistency. For English learners, very important. Now, to get the best results. 1. Read the story again from the beginning. 2. Pause after each sentence. 3. Repeat the sentence out loud. 4. Copy the rhythm, emotion, and pronunciation. This is called the shadowing technique. Read it once for understanding. Read it again for fluency. Read it again to change both your English and your habits. Your journey has already started. Thank you for watching and listening. For more stories, please like and subscribe and share your comments.